Dissolution. Noun. The termination of an organized body or legislative assembly, especially a formal dismissal. Dissolution. Noun. Disintegration, or decomposition into fragments. Dissolution. Noun. Dissolving, or going into solution. Dissolution. Noun. The quality of being dissolute. He led a life of dissolution, drinking and gambling almost daily. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.